To the second part of this journey from design to 3D print a B-29 Super Fortress airplane. On my previous video I have shown you how to crop the canvas, the images that we are going to use as a canvas. Now in this video we're going to import the canvas and then calibrate as needed. So let's start with inserting the canvas via this tab, insert, canvas, search through your files. I'm going to start with the top, click open, and I'm going to place the top canvas on this plane. You can enlarge a little bit if you want and click OK. Then we'll repeat the same action. I'm going to do side, click open. As a side, I'm going to use this plane here, and as you can see, it's on the other way round. So we're gonna click on horizontally flip, and then we're gonna put in the right position and click OK. Once more, insert canvas, then we need the front, click open, and then just click on the front plane of your origin point and OK. So now that we have the three canvas loaded, what we can do, we can calibrate the picture. So to do so, I normally try to do a sketch, drawing a line from the very tip of one wing, like so, and then horizontal line throughout, there, and then again go to the tip and up. Now I can trim that. Don't need any more, and I can trim that. Now that I have these lines, so I'm gonna right click to the canvas and I'm gonna click on calibrate. I'm going to get as close as possible and click to the point, and click to the point, and now it's asking me to put the measurement, which is going to put one for in my case I'm going to make this one just over 2 meter wingspan, and that is the first calibration. Now we're gonna get to the top, and we're gonna do the same. We're gonna create a sketch, get a line, and then if we can get close enough, I don't need to draw the other two lines. So finish the sketch, go to the top canvas here, right click and calibrate once more, click on that point, click on the other point, and you put the same 1252.5. And we have the top and the front now calibrated. As we can see, we are pretty much matching there. So it's only a little bit out, but it doesn't really matter. Now, to calibrate the side view, we are not going to use the calibrator tool, but we're just using the edit canvas, and we just pull this little corner out until we match the size of the other canvas. So we can go closer there, and we can just type manually what may be. So this is a little bit over, so 5.8, maybe 9. So 595. Yeah, let's see like that, and press enter. So now we should have the 3 canvas calibrated nicely. The next step is to put them in position. Oh, stop. Like that. So to put them in position, I do like to align them all the front to the origin point. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna do edit this time, and we just bring them back, and we just trying to get as close as possible to the front view canvas, which is the line, which is looks like fine like this, and press OK. Also we do the same with the side. You do edit, and we go back, to align the front. That should be okay. In this case, I am going to push this one up as well. Let's put it there for now. And click OK. Now the last things we have left to do is the front. So once again, edit canvas, and then if we do match the top, we should also be able to have everything else matched, aligned. Like that. Let me click OK like this, and then I know we are a little bit higher there, but we should it is a little bit. It doesn't look like the front view empennage is the same size of the side view. So what I'm gonna do from this view, because definitely we need to, I prefer to align the fuselage in the right place. So we go those windows, we just need to look at those windows and the top of this fuselage here aligning to it looks like I think here we are actually okay. Let me click OK here, and then we'll see afterwards. We can also adjust the position once we start to draw the body. So as you can see here now, the height of this canvas is not the same height as this one, so it may be because despite the fact that we have scaled it nicely, it may be this one maybe is not matching the dimension correctly. But looking from this side, I think we are pretty okay matching the empennage. So this one, it looks like it. This one looks like if we draw a line there, we are almost there. Right. At this point, probably is best to save the file. Now we can start think about shaping it. Okay, we have saved the file. And now I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna get prepared mentally to start the fuselage. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.